Hello, Min. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class for today. So, how are you today, Min?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm also fine. Did you already eat your dinner, or still
No,
no? I
no.
know because I can see it's still like what do you call that? There is still light outside your house. In here, it's already night. Yeah, so nice to see you again. Wow. And are you ready for our new lesson for today?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So now let's start our lesson. So we are still in our unit 3, which is it's all about
people in town.
people in town. And for this one, we have a new lesson, lesson 2 about, can you read this one?
What people do.
Okay,
Listen
very
to what people do.
Okay, very good. So that is for our new lesson for today. So what people do. So previously we learned about occupations, whereas it is the job or work that people do to earn money. And now with those jobs, so we will learn what are those people do or what those people are doing in their jobs. So now let's go to our next page and let's learn more about those. What are the things that people do? So let me just open the audio here. That's our unit 3. Unit 3. Okay, wait.
6. Lesson 2. What people do. A. Listen, point, and say. 1,
Make food.
2,
Sell things.
3,
Help sick animals.
4,
Drive buses.
5,
Fly planes.
6.
Fight fires.
Okay, so those are the things or what people do in their job. So let's go take a look first and read our first what people do.
Make people make food.
Okay, make food. Next is
Sell things.
sell things. How about this one?
Help sick animals.
Okay, help sick animals. And next,
Drive buses.
okay, very drive buses. Next is,
Fly planes.
okay, and last one is
Fight fires.
fight fires. Okay, so now these are the things that people do in their daily jobs or occupation. So now let's get to know more about these things and what occupations do they have. So let's go first with our first what people do or people do. What is it again?
Make food.
Okay, very good. By looking at the picture, mean what is the woman doing?
She's uh she's making food.
Very good. She's making food. And how do we make food? By what? How do we make food? By
By supermarket.
by by supermarket. How do we make food? No. How do we make food? What do we do to make food? Like in the picture. Yes, the woman is making food, but how do we make food?
That's for
Starts with letter C. Oh, starts with letter C.
she.
C O double O C double O C. No. C-O-O-K. What's that? By?
By
How do we make food? We make food by cooking. Like in the picture, the woman is cooking. So yes, she is making food. But how? How do we do it? We make or we cook. We cook in the kitchen. And for this one, I mean, what do you think is the occupation of this woman? What is her occupation? What is her job? What is her occupation? Because last time we learned about different occupations. Do you still remember those different occupations that we have last time? Occupations? You don't know? You
she's
forgot? Can you give at least one example of occupation that we learned last time?
cook.
Cook?
Cook.
Yes,
Cook.
this one. Cook. Very good. That is the occupation of this person. She is a cook. Okay, but for last in our previous lesson, can you give at least one example of occupation that we've learned last time? Can you give
But
one example we learned last time or previously?
um
What is the occupation that we can see in the supermarket? Oh no, you forgot. Starts with letter C also. C. Then
cashier.
yes, very good. So cashier. So those are the occupations or job that we can see or we can experience in the supermarket. And for this one, you are right. So she is a cook. So when we say a cook, so they make food like this in our first word or in our first what are the things that people do. So make food and she is a cook. Or one of the most popular term that we can call for cook. So we can call them chef. Yes. So like a cook. So chef also make food. So that's it. And where do you think is the place that we can see the people who makes food? Where is the place?
Super
Huh? Really? Supermarket?
restaurant.
Okay, very good. So in the or at the restaurant. Okay, so this is where we can see cook or chef. So they make food. That is our first thing to do. And next, let's go to our next page. Okay, can you read the second things that people do?
People sell things.
Okay, very good. People sell things. And what do you think is the occupation here of the person?
Person.
Yeah, what is the occupation? We can see them in a department store. What do we call them? A person who works in or at the department store. Hmm. Starts with letter S. S, 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 S. From the word sell. What word?
Sell person.
Okay, very good. So she is a salesperson. And salesperson, they sell things. They sell things at the department store, or it can also be at the supermarket or at the supermarket. So there are many places where we can see a lot of salesperson or the person who sell things, but most common we can see them at the department store. So that's it. So when we say sell things, people sell things in stores like clothes, toys, or food. So that is our second. So now, again, let's review. What is the first thing that people do? What's the first thing? What's the first thing
People
that people do? What's the first?
shopping.
Shopping? Or
Buy
before sell things, what is the first one that we had learned? It's
is
it is what cooks do, or chef. Ah, what's the first thing that people do? Just to review, it's what the cooks or chefs do. What do they do? What do they do? What is our first one before sell things? They are letter M, letter M. It is the other term for cooking. Oh no. Okay. So that is make food, our first one. And next is sell
sell
things.
things.
Okay, so again, so since our first one is make food, so who are the people who makes food? Mean?
Cook chef.
Yes, very good. Cooks or chef. How about for selling things? Who are the people who do or who sell things?
Salesperson.
Okay, salesperson or? Yeah, salesperson. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to our third things that people do. What is it?
Help sick animals.
Okay, help sick animals. So for this one, what do you think is the occupation of this woman?
Vet.
Okay, she is. Okay,
She
she
is
is
a vet.
vet. Very good. And what do vet do? What do they
Uh,
do?
they
They they
mm,
this one. They help.
they have sick animals.
Okay, very good. Don't be too hard to yourself. The answer is here. Okay, so they help sick animals. And where or what is the place that vet or
Um,
where can we see vet? Can we see them at the supermarket? No. Where is the place where vet works?
Animal
Yes,
animal
animal.
hospital.
Okay, very good. So we can see them in the animal hospital. Very good. Okay, again, let's review. Since we have three things to do, what is our first thing to do?
Make food.
Next is,
Sell things.
next is,
Help sick animals.
Okay, very good. Next, let's proceed to our next things or thing to do. Okay, what do you think is the man doing in this picture?
The right driver buses.
Very good. So drive buses. So what do you think is the occupation of this person
Mm,
based on this, based on what they do? What is their occupation?
The driver.
Okay, very good. Driver, or to be more specific, so we can call them bus driver. Okay, so bus driver. So when we say bus driver, from the word itself, they drive buses. Okay, so they drive buses to take people to different places. Okay, for example, they drive school buses. At your school, do you have a school bus?
Um,
Do you have a school bus? No.
no,
No,
no.
okay. Because I think school buses, it's more popular in the United States. So most of their schools, they have a school buses, whereas it will bring them to their own home, and also it helps them to go to their school. So most of those school buses, they are being driven by the bus driver. So that's it. So next, let's proceed to our next. Okay, so what are they doing?
Fly planes.
Fly planes. Very good. And what do you think is the occupation of the people here?
Um,
What is their occupation? Those people who fly planes. It
hmm,
starts with letter P. Yeah, P.
uh, a pilot.
Okay, one more time. Very good. Nice idea. So, what we call them as pilot.
Pilot.
Okay, very good. So, they are a pilot. So, those pilots, they fly planes. So, um, for the bus drivers, they drive bus. But for pilots, they drive planes. They fly planes. So, for this one, have you tried riding a plane before, Min? Have you tried riding a plane? Have you tried riding a plane before?
Um,
Have you tried? Yes or no?
no.
No. Oh, you still haven't experienced riding a plane. Oh, same. I also have. I still don't have any experience on riding a plane. I have just ridden or a boat, like a big boat, big ship. So yeah, when we travel to our hometown or province, we go by ship, not an airplane. So I still haven't experienced riding a plane. So for this one, pilots. So they are called as pilots. So usually, so pilots, we have two pilots that are inside the plane. So the one is the what do you call that? The one is the one who drives the plane. However, the other one, so it navigates the location or it assists the pilot itself or the main driver of the plane. So there are usually two people that drives the plane. So they are Pilot. So again, let's review. So since we already have 5. So what is the first? What is the first thing that people do?
Make food.
Make food. Next is
Sell things.
sell things. Next is
Help sick animals.
help sick animals. Next is
Drive buses.
okay. And last,
Fly planes.
fly planes. Okay. Now, can you tell teacher what is the occupation of people who make food?
Chef or cook.
Very good. How about people who sell things?
Salesperson.
Okay. And how about the people who help sick animals?
Vet.
Vet. How about the people who drive buses?
Driver or driver bus.
Okay.
Bus driver.
Okay, bus driver or driver. Next is this one, the one who fly planes.
A pilot. Pilot.
Okay, very good. Pilot, not pilot. Okay. So very good. Nice. Okay. And for our last occupation, so we have what are they doing?
They fighting fires.
Okay, very good. They are fighting fires. And what do you know or are you familiar with their occupation? What what is their job? What do we call their job or work? Starts with
One
it also starts with letter F.
firefighter.
Okay, very good. So they are firefighters. Okay, and when we say firefighters, from the word itself, they fight the fires, especially when there is burning houses, buildings, or everything that is burning. So we can just call firefighters, and they are the one who stop fires and keeps us or keeps people safe. So That's it. And they usually have a big car or a big what do you call that truck, fire truck, and it has a lot of water on it or in it inside the fire truck, and that is what they use to stop the fire. Okay, so that's it. So next again, so let's review the six people or six things that people do. Let's go first with our first one.
People cooking.
Cooking, or what is our specific term or original term?
Cook.
Letter M.
Make
People. Very good. Make what?
make food.
Okay, next.
Sell things.
Next is.
Help sick animals.
Next is.
Drive buses.
Okay, next is.
Um, Fly planes.
Okay, last one is.
Fight fires.
Okay, very good. Fight fire. So those are the things that people do. So actually, we have a lot of things that most people do, but these are the most common things, and especially um, connected to our previous lesson. But for since we have previous occupations that are not discussed here, what they do. So let me ask you some questions. Um, what do cashiers do?
Cashier do
What do they do? Cashiers?
earn money.
Yes, earn money. Or we can say they take money from people, the the things that they bought. for the things. From people for the things that they bought at the supermarket. So that is what they do. They take money from people, but not negatively. They take money because the people or the people who or the customers so bought the things or their things. How about let me check. How about the librarian? Librarian. What do they do?
They borrow books.
Are they the one who borrow books? Do the librarian borrow books? No. They are the one who they take care of the library. And they also the one who assists people where they assist people who borrow books. So they are not no, they are not the one who borrow books, but they are the one who assists. Okay. How about a server? A server. What do
So,
server do? They,
to
from the word itself,
mm,
if cook or chefs in a restaurant they make food. How about servers? From the word itself, serve. They
mm,
they
mm,
serve food, or they are the one who bring food to customers. Okay. How about postal workers? What do they do?
store cook
They hmm,
mm,
starts with letter M.
mm,
They
mail, they mail
yes.
it.
Okay, so they mail or and deliver letters. Very good. So those are the things that people do. How about you, Mean? In the future, what do you want to do?
I want to I want to a policeman.
I want to be a policeman. Wow. And what do policemen do? Or what do policemen do?
I help people.
Okay, so I help people. Very good. So those are the things that people do. And where do policemen works? Where do they
The
work?
policeman goes.
Your father is a policeman, right? Am I right?
No,
No. It's the other student again. I'm so sorry about that. So where do they work? They work at
police
the
officer.
oh yes, we can call it police office, but the most common term of the place that they work is police station. So they work at the police station. So if in the future you will be a policeman, you will work at your nearest police station in your hometown. Wow. I hope you'll reach your dream. Okay, so very good. So that's so nice. So those are the things that people do. So now let's learn. So after learning about what are those things that people do, so now we will learn a new sentence structure. So let's first listen, and after that, we will read.
Page 26. B. Listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
What does the cook do?
The cook makes food. 1,
Okay, so again, let's read first the question that we have here.
What does the cook do? The cook makes food.
Okay, very good. So for this one, so we ask this question if we want to know what does a certain occupation do? Like for example, this one, again, what is her occupation in the picture? She is
He is a
in the picture.
cook.
Yes,
A
very good.
cook
She is a
or
cook.
chef.
Yes.
Or chef.
And if we want to ask the cook, what does she do? So we ask, what does the cook do? So we answer it by
The
the
cook makes food.
okay, very good. So the cook makes food. So our answer to this question is or depends on what is the occupation. How about the what does the server do?
The server do
The server,
serve food.
the server serves
Serve
food. Okay, we will base our answer based on what they do. So we will not use this one. The server do, so it will be grammatically incorrect. So we will say the server serves food. Like for example, if we have a policeman and
what
policeman, they help people. So what does the policeman do?
the, the policeman do help
We,
people.
okay. Again, we will not include the word do in our answer. So we will proceed to answer it by what people do. So what does policeman do? So the policeman helps people. Okay. So since like for example, this one makes food. So our word here is make food. So if we answer it by that question, so we usually add letter S to the verb. So the cook makes food. So what does the policeman do? Help people. And how do we answer it in a question? The policeman helps people. So we add letter S. And also, like for this one, let me go back to the server. So server, occupation is server. What do? They serve food. So that is the original phrase. So if we answer it, or if we answer the question, what does the server do? So we will say the server serves food. So we will just add letter S here. Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's try in our first activity. Let's try to answer. Okay, let's go first and check this one. Um, what is first? What is the occupation of this person?
The, the cook
Very
makes food.
okay, very good. The cook makes food. Very good. So we will add letter S. How about in our second picture?
The salesperson um,
Salesperson. What do they do? What is our second?
sells things.
Okay, very good.
Things.
Sell things. So we will just add letter S in the word or the phrase sell things. Next, this one.
The the vet um has sick animals.
Okay, very good. So the vet helps sick animals. So we will just put letter S on the verb or the action word. And next, the next one, what does What does the bus
The
driver do?
the bus driver do uh, bus driver
Bus.
drives buses.
Okay, very good. So remember, we will not put the word do. Okay, because the do in our sentence or in our answer is the verb itself, which is the action word. So this is the do. Okay, next, very good. Next one. What does the pilot do?
The pilot flies plane.
Okay, very good. So next, our last one. Oh, okay, wait. Let's go back. Let's go back. This one.
The fire the firefighters fight fights fights a fight fights
Okay, very good. So the firefighter fights fires. Again, can you read this word again? Let's say fires.
fires.
Firefighter.
Firefighter.
Okay, very good. Again, what does the firefighter do?
The firefighter fight fire.
Fires. Okay, very good. Okay, so that's it. So let's review. Let's review and read if your answers are correct. Let's start from the first occupation.
What does the cook do? The cook makes food. What does the salesperson do? The salesperson sells things. What does the vet do? The vet helps sick animals. What does the bus driver do? The bus driver drives buses. What does the pilot do? A pilot do.
Okay,
The
very good.
pilot flies planes. What does the firefighter do? The firefighter fights fires.
Okay, very good. So those are our occupations and what are the things that those people do. So next, let's proceed to our next sentence structure. But first, let's listen and after that we will read and discuss.
Page 27. See, listen, ask, and answer. Then practice.
Does the cook make food?
Yes, he does.
Does the cook sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Does the cook make food?
Yes, she does.
Does the cook sell things?
No, she doesn't.
Okay. So before we proceed to the activity, let's first read our first question here.
Does she cook make food? Yes, he does. Does she cook sell things? No, he doesn't. Does does the cook make food? Yes, she does. Does the cook sell things? No, she doesn't.
Okay, so now let's take a look. So we have here a question that starts with does the. So we ask this if we want to know if if we want to we ask this if we want to confirm if it is what a person do. Like for example, there is a cook. For example, we want to know if the cook really makes food. So we can ask, does the cook make food? So the manager or the manager of the restaurant or the boss can answer, yes, he does. So we have here he and she. So based on the picture, so what is this person? Is it a boy or a girl?
Girl, boy.
It is a boy or he is a boy. How about in the second picture?
Girl,
A girl. So for boys, what do we use for boys? Is it he or she?
He.
Okay, very good. How about for girls? What do we use for
One,
girls?
she.
She. Okay, so we depend our answer if the subject is a boy or a girl. So if it's a boy, we will use yes, he does. If our answer is yes, we will say yes, he does. If our answer is no, we will say no, he doesn't. When we say doesn't, it is short for the word does not. So that means someone is not doing it. Okay, like for example, the question here, does the cook sell things? The answer is,
No, he doesn't.
okay, very good. Because who is the person who sell things?
Um,
Who's the person who sell things? What's the occupation of the person who sell things? Oh,
salesperson.
okay, salesperson. Oh, does the salesperson sell things? For example,
Something.
the salesperson is a boy. Does the salesperson sell things?
No, he doesn't.
Huh? What is your answer? Does the salesperson sell things?
Yes,
Yes. And the salesperson is a boy. What what shall we
yes,
use?
he does.
Yes, he does. Okay, very good. So the salesperson, they sell things. Okay. So don't confuse yourself. Okay, so next. So we have here another cook. So again, does the cook make food? So they are both different. They both are the same cook, but they have different gender. So if it's a boy, we will use he. If it's a girl, we will use she. Okay. And same answer. If the answer is no, we will say no. She doesn't. Okay. How about let's have an example. Does the server make food? Okay, wait.
Uh,
Let's imagine that the server is a girl. Does the server
no,
make food?
she doesn't.
No, she doesn't. Okay, very good. Does the server serve food?
Yes, she does.
Okay, okay, very good. So now let's apply. Let's try to apply this in our next activity. Okay. So you will, in this activity, you will create the question, does the, and what is the occupation and what they do. And you will, actually, I will be the one who will ask the question. And you will answer if it's a yes or no. Okay? Okay, let's start with the first picture. Does the cook make food?
Uh, yes, he does.
Very good. So yes, we will use he because the cook is, what is the cook? He is a
He is. He is.
girl
My
boy. He is a girl or boy?
boy.
Okay, he is a boy. So we will use yes, he does.
Yes, he does.
Okay, how about in the second picture? What do you think is the occupation of this person?
Pilot.
Huh? Is it a pilot? Based on the what they wear or what he is or what she, this is a girl, it has a long hair, based on what she is wearing, what is her occupation? Do pilots have stethoscope? No. What are the who are the people who uses stethoscope? Do you know stethoscope?
No,
Really, stethoscope. Okay, let me show you a picture. Stethoscope. Okay, this one. Stethoscope. You don't see this one?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, okay. Who are the people who uses this?
Wait a minute.
Okay, sure. Take your time. Okay, you're done now. Okay. Again, who are the people who uses this in the picture? Who uses stethoscope?
That just scope.
Yes. Who are the people who uses?
Uh, mm, nurse.
What are the occupation of the
Doctor.
people?
Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor. Very good. So now let's go back to our picture here. Okay, what is the occupation of this girl or woman?
Uh,
Based
woman.
on what is her occupation? Based on the things that we learn. What's her occupation? So she has a stethoscope. And look at let me just zoom so that we
No.
can, wait, look at how do, okay, this one. Look at her clothes. What is the picture that you can see in her clothes? What's that?
I don't know.
I don't know, really.
No.
It's a dog and it's a cat. Okay, so what's the occupation? What's the occupation of this person?
Uh, uh,
What's the occupation? Oh, when we talk about animals, what is the occupation?
dog, a vet.
Okay, very good. Vet. Okay. Does the vet fly planes? Oh, this is a girl, huh? Does
Um,
does the vet fly planes?
um,
Girl. The subject is a girl. Is it a yes or is it a no?
um, yes.
The
Oh,
huh? Vet.
no, no,
Okay, very good. No, no. What? How do we answer the question? Does the
no,
vet?
he doesn't.
What is your subject? He or she?
He,
He is she a boy? She has a long hair.
no, she doesn't.
Okay, no, she doesn't. Okay. Um, does the vet help sick animals?
Yes,
Yes.
she does.
Okay, yes, she does. Okay, very good. So don't forget to answer completely. Don't just answer yes or no. So yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Okay, next. How about this one? What is her occupation?
Um, firefighter.
Firefighter. Now, does the firefighter fight fires?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, she does.
Okay, very good. Yes, she does. Because the firefighter is a girl. And next. Number four, yeah. What is the occupation based on what he is wearing? What is the boy's occupation?
Oh, my Lord.
Okay, very good. He is a
He
pilot.
is a
Uh,
pilot.
okay. And does the pilot drive buses?
No,
No.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, very good. No, he doesn't. Does the pilot fly planes?
Yes, he does.
Okay, very good. Yes, he does. Okay, next. What occupation is the people
A
doing in the picture?
salesperson.
Salesperson. Very good. Because this person is selling some
Souvenir.
accessories here. Yeah, necklace or souvenirs. Yes. And does the salesperson sell things?
Um, yes, I see that.
Okay,
I
very
see
good.
that.
Yes, she does. Very good, very good. Next, let's take a look at the picture. What is the occupation of this person?
A bus driver.
Bus driver. Very good. Now, let's take a look at the whole situation. Does the bus driver help sick animals?
No, he doesn't.
Okay, very good. No, he doesn't. Does the bus driver drive buses?
Yes, he does.
Okay, very good. Does the bus driver? Uh, okay, yes, he does. Okay, very good. So those are the things that people do. So remember when answering the question, does the occupation, this one is occupation, then what does the people do? So we usually answer it with yes, he does, or yes, she does. No, he doesn't, and no, she doesn't. And also our sentence structure that we have here first, a question is what does the what is the occupation that is being asked? And so we answer it by what they do. Okay, so don't forget. Okay, so very good. So I think so let's just answer some questions here. Okay, so read the question first before you answer. So let's read the question first.
Yes, she does.
Oh,
Does the salesperson sell things? Yes, she does.
okay, very good. So yes, she does. And next, I there is okay. Can you read?
Does the bird fly planes? No, she doesn't.
Okay, very good. No, she doesn't. Next,
Does the bus driver have six animals? No, he doesn't.
very good. Next,
Does the firefighter fight fires? Yes, she does.
okay, very good. And next,
Does the cook make food? Yes, he does.
okay, very good. Next,
Does the pilot drive buses? No, he doesn't.
no, he doesn't. And next, okay, before we proceed to this activity, so let's answer some question here. Oh, this one. Let's answer the no. Okay. What does pet do?
The vet, uh, the vet help, helps sick
Ah,
animals.
okay, very good. So don't forget in our action verb, like the
Like,
help. So we will add letter S. Helps sick animals. Next, let me have this one. What does a bus driver or what does the bus driver do?
the bus driver drive, um, drive, drives,
Drives.
buses,
Okay,
buses.
okay, again, let's say buses. Again, buses, not buses. Buses. Okay. Buses. Next. Mm, this one. What does the pilot do?
The pilot flies planes.
Okay, very good. The pilot flies plane. So this one, since the verb ends with letter Y, so we just don't put letter S like this. So it's incorrect. So we will put IES for those word that has or for those verb that has or that ends with letter I. That's why flies. Okay. Okay, so next, let's proceed to our next activity. So we will listen and number. So let me just open the sound.
Page 27. D. Listen and number. 1,
What does the cook do? The cook makes food.
Okay, again.
1,
What does the cook do? The cook makes food.
Okay, for number 1, what is the question and answer?
A person or
What is number 1? What does the
what does the cook do? The cook makes food.
Okay, for this picture, for these pictures, what do you think or where do you think is number 1? Is it picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6?
Picture 2. Picture 4.
Okay, very good. This is number 1. Okay, so next number 2.
2,
Does the salesperson sell things?
Yes, she does.
Does the salesperson sell things?
Yes, she does.
Okay, for number 2, what did you heard?
Does the salesperson sells things? Sell to
What's the
things?
answer? What's the answer?
Yes, she does.
Okay, what picture?
Picture 2.
Okay, very good. Next number 3.
3,
What does the vet do?
The vet helps sick animals.
3,
What does the vet do?
The vet helps sick animals.
Okay, for number 3, what
What does the vet do? The vet helps sick animals.
okay, what picture?
Picture 3.
Okay, very good. Next.
4,
Does the pilot fly planes?
Yes, she does.
Okay,
4,
Does the pilot fly planes?
Yes, she does.
Does pilot flies planes? Yes, she does. Picture 1.
okay, very good. Picture 1.
5,
What does the firefighter do?
The firefighter fights fires.
Okay, number 5. What is number 5?
What the firefighters do? The firefighter fights fires.
Number picture.
Picture 6.
Okay, very good. And for the last one, what do you think is the question here?
Bus driver.
Yes, what question and sentence pattern that we can build here using the question what? What
What was what
what
does
does
the bus driver do? The bus driver drives buses.
Okay, very good. So good job. Okay, so this is it. Oh, so let's for this one, I think. So it's the end of our time. So since it's the end of our time, so I will prepare some questions for you based on the sentence structure that we had learned, and we will answer it next Friday. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much, Min. So you did a very wonderful job today because you are able to, as usual, you were able to apply the sentence structures that we had learned. Also, remember the occupations and what are the people. What are the things that people do? Okay, so make sure to review so that you will not confuse yourself next Friday. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. See you again next Friday. Bye bye bye.
Bye,
Thank
teacher.
you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.